Welcome to Unacademy Combat, India's largest fortnightly competition for IIT and JEE students. So students, basically these are the best questions prepared by best Unacademy educators. So challenging questions will be curated by the best Unacademy educators, where questions are guaranteed to keep the test engaging, super fast and fun with real-time rankings. That is where it shows where you stand in the leaderboard. Next comes you compete with the best of best and all the three subjects, physics, chemistry and maths. Know where you stand among other contestants. Detailed video solutions by the top educators. They get in depth with the video solutions for the questions right after the contest. Track your progress and see how are you performing, what is your updated performance when you attempt this test. You'll be competing with the best, and at the same time you'll be winning amazing prizes. First, second, third and 100 top rankers are also going to get. The first contest for IIT JEE is on November 8th, 2020 at 11 am for class 11, 12 and 13. Contest format 45 minutes, 21 questions, separate contest for 11, 12 and 13th. 3 sections, JEE scoring fortnightly competition. This is the syllabus, students, for 11th, 12th and 13th. Please note the complete syllabus for maths, physics and chemistry. Unacademy Combat, compete, crack and conquer. Don't forget to use the referral code JEE10 to enroll today.
Good evening, students. Welcome to one more session of your World of Chemistry. I think if Vani ma'am makes a video, there should be something special in that, isn't it? Right. So as you all know, I have been doing or publishing one-shot videos. So for grade 12 students, as we know, we are in the month of November. Almost it has come to the end of 2020. Because of this pandemic, we are sitting at home studying or taking online classes, and by God's grace, my videos are also helpful for you all. Thank you so much for watching. And today Vani ma'am has come out with one more important concept and one more important, if I have to tell you, help for you all. So as we all know, CBSE has released the grade 12 2021 sample paper. So maximum students, I think most of them would have seen the sample paper. What is the weightage of questions? So here I thought, till last year, what was it? It was 70 marks paper. Everything was descriptive for you all, and you were comfortably studying the NCERT textbook, reading different publishers' books and completely writing the paper. Everything was descriptive. So 70 was descriptive type and 30 was your practical examination. But according to the CBSE 2021 sample paper, before I explain that, what type of help I'm going to give you from my side, free of cost, I'll tell you. I think, as you all know, World of Chemistry is for you all students. So this World of Chemistry channel, as I said, though I have a busy schedule, I said WOC would be my first priority. I'm a verified educator at Unacademy. That also, there also students are there like you all only. So for my World of Chemistry, I have planned to teach you the MCQ questions and assertion and reasoning type questions and case beat questions. Almost 1000 plus MCQ questions I'm going to do for you all. If not every day, I'll be sending you which includes the physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry too. So first I'll finish off with the organic chemistry reasoning questions, then assertion and reasoning questions from inorganic. I'll also be going with the case beat questions. So before that, let me tell you the pattern of 2021 paper, and I'll also tell you where I'm going to stress on this particular upcoming videos. Right, students, let us see the sample paper which the CBSE has released. Because it is many days have gone, but I want you to analyze, and I also want you to know where you have to stress in the exam. Let us start off. So Vani ma'am again is going to help you out for your 2021 board examination, that too with your MCQs, assertion and reasoning type questions and also the case beat questions. Let us see the pattern of the paper. So when it comes to your 2021 pattern, CBSE, your chemistry paper rather, that's your code, subject code is 043, correct. So here I have differentiated the whole question paper into one complete tabular column. What does this tabular column explain? Here basically, first is a type of question. Next comes the number of marks allotted for that. Next comes the question numbers. Next comes format. Format means how is the question given. Suppose if it is a 3 marks question, 2 plus 1 format, or 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that. Next comes whether there is internal choice or not. Let us go through the paper which you are going to write on 2021, and where I am going to help you out with the most important and the most weightage part, that is your MCQs, assertion and reasoning, and case beat questions. Right. So the first type of question is a case beat question. So case beat question is nothing. They're going to give you a paragraph, a particular situation, and from that they may ask you either the MCQs or the assertion reasoning type. So here Vani ma'am is going to help you out. I'll be taking this concept. I'll be teaching you MCQs. I'll be teaching you assertion and reasoning type questions also. Along with that, how many are there? Basically, question number 1 and question number 2 are case beat questions, right? Both are case beat only, but in that they're going to either ask you MCQs or they're going to ask you assertion and reasoning type questions from that. Okay, when I take MCQs as assertion and reasoning type, here first question completely is taken into question number 1, where you have 4 questions in that, 1, 2, 3, 4, but question is only 1. Okay, totally question number 1 to 4. Next comes question number 2. That's again a case beat question in which they have taken assertion and reasoning type questions. So case beat, both are same, but one option they may either take MCQs or assertion and reasoning type, point number 1, and the second they have picked up the assertion and reasoning type questions. So here how many are there? Question number 1 carrying 4 subparts, question number 2 carrying 4 subparts, each carrying 1 mark, okay, 1 mark each, and that's lying from question number 1 to 4, then comes 5 to 8. That's fine, students. Here, so first concept is I have to concentrate more on MCQs and assertion and reasoning type, because question 1 and 2 almost, if you check 4 plus 4, 8 marks are here only. Done. Here if I see what is a pattern, I said 4 questions, in that 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, like that 1 mark is given. Means if you're not answering the first question, 1 mark got, like that 1 1 1 1. Is there any internal choice in between? Yes, there exists an internal choice even in your assertion MCQ questions. Very nice, isn't it? Board is trying to, it has reduced your 30% syllabus. It is going to give you again an internal choice. Just see your luck this time. Next comes the second question. As I said, the second question is a case beat question. Again, it is also carrying 1 mark. The whole second question is taken as one entity. In that, you have separate 4 questions. Means 4 questions will be asked. That is from 5, 6, 7, and 8. The pattern of the question giving or allotting marks is 1, 1, 1, and 1. Perfect. Is there an internal choice? Yes, there is an internal choice in the second question. Overall choice is not there, but internal choice. I think you have understood. Question number 1. One entity but includes 4 questions. Question number 2 again is a single entity, includes 4 questions. Perfect. Let us come to the third. Again MCQs. See here, MCQs here, assertion reasoning here, MCQs here. So MCQs again, they are starting from question number 3 till question number 11. So 1 to 4 over, 5 to 8 over. Question number if I have to say, this is not okay. Means 5 to, don't take it as 8 to 5 to 8 means this is one entity. This is all one entity. Question number 1 as one entity. Question number 2 has one entity. This becomes question number 3. Yes. So from question number 3 to 11, that's almost 9 questions are there, which are MCQ questions, each carrying 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark. The pattern is 1 1 1. Means each MCQ carries 1 mark. Is there internal choice? Yes, there is an internal choice which is existing, where you can comfortably choose. And one more thing, internal choice is given between different chapters? No. They're going to give you, suppose, if they're taking a question from biomolecules, internal choice between biomolecules and biomolecules. If they're taking chemical kinetics and chemical kinetics, like that. Next, after MCQs, next is the assertion reasoning. Again, one more. In that, you have from each carrying 1 mark. How many will be there? 5 questions. What is the mark? Total 1 into 5, 5. Then comes question number, that is from question number 12 to 16. Here also same pattern, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Is there an internal choice? Yes. Luckily, every section has internal choice for you all. Then, let us come to see. So, here, if I have to understand, case beat questions, MCQs, assertion reasoning. Case beat questions, assertion reasoning. Third type is MCQs. So total how many? 4 plus 4 plus 9. Almost all these marks or all these type of questions I am going to deal. I'll try to take you to the comfort zone. Here I'll try to send you the questions with the answers, explanation, so that you will be making or utilizing that for your exams. Then comes, even if I have to forget, fourth question also is assertion reasoning type only. So Vani ma'am is trying to help you from section number 1, 2, 3, 4. All the section A part I'll try to take care from now. Very soon I'll be sending it. Almost everything is ready. Shooting is left out. Now here just say students, 4 marks, 4 marks, 9 marks and 5 marks. That is my responsibility. I'll try to help. Remaining is God's grace and your hard work too. Then comes section B. As we know, this whole thing is section A, which is objective. Then comes your section B. In that, section B has short answer type 1. Short answer type 1 means what? Basically, each short answer type 1, each carries 2 marks and total number of questions are 9. 2 into 9, 18 short answer questions. Each you need to write in 1 or 2 lines, maximum 3 lines. What is that question number ranging from? 17 to 25. So 17 to 25, 9 questions, which is carrying 18 marks. Then what is the pattern here? Suppose if there are 2 questions, I told you, no, section 9. If it is 2 marks question 1 will be given like this, question 2 will be given like this, 1 mark for this and 1 mark for this. Understood? Okay, perfect. After coming here gradually, here also there is internal choice. Now if I have to come to section C, section C again is short answer type 2. Section B is short answer type 1. Section C is short answer type 2. So here it's going to carry 3 marks. Each question is going to carry 3 marks. Ma'am, 3 marks question, how is it divided? We will see. How many questions are there? 5 questions. Each carrying 3 into 5, 15. That's from question number 26 to 30. Perfect. If I have to see the pattern, this is the pattern. Here there are 5 questions. Okay, so this one, 5 questions, each carrying 3 marks. The pattern is 1, 1, 1. Means in each question, suppose if I take question number 1, this is your 3 marks. First question, second question, third question. So that if you are losing mark, you may, if you are not answering 1, only 1 is lost. Remaining 2, you may get marks. Here also there is an internal choice. Very nice. Beautiful, isn't it? Every way they are trying to provide you an internal choice and keep you in the comfort zone. Next comes section D. That is your long answer type question. Every time long answer type questions are there, isn't it? How many marks is it? It's for 5 marks. How many questions are there? 3 questions. Total how many marks? 15 marks. From which question to which question? 31 to 33. Isn't it? Perfect. Here, what is the pattern? There are 2 patterns observed. The first pattern, 1 plus 4. That means if there are 5 questions given, suppose there are 5 questions. So here if I say 31st question, what will they say? They will give question number 1, which carries 2 marks. Remaining question number 2, 3, 4, means like this, 4 and 5, right? So 1 and 2 are carrying 2 marks, remaining 3, 4, 5 are carrying 3 marks. So 2 plus 3 pattern is 1 pattern. Next comes 1 plus 4 pattern is 1 more pattern. 1 plus 4 is 5 marks, 2 plus 3 is 5 marks. Here also you have an internal choice which is given. Yes students, so what is the whole concept? Once again let us summarize. In your CBSE 2021 paper, as you all know, because of this pandemic and most important, to make you get acquainted to the JEE mains pattern, CBSE has brought this way of designing the question paper, which is very useful for you all. How is it going? How does it go? One summary, let us see. There are basically 33 questions in the total. Okay, total 33 questions. In that, question number 1 and question number 2 both are case beat questions. In that, in one of the case beat question, they are going to ask you either MCQs or assertion reasoning type, each carrying 1 mark. How many subtopics will be there? 4. So total is 4 marks. But question is 1 only. In that, 4 subparts, right? In the second case beat question, it's the assertion and reasoning type, where Each is carrying 1 mark, means one question only. Basically one question, second question. One entity, one entity. There you have 4 subparts, that's from 5 to 8. Then comes MCQ type. So MCQ type 1 and type 2 are there. So MCQ type 1 means one option right. So there we have again MCQ carrying 1 mark. How many questions are there? 9, ranging from 3 to 11. Then comes your assertion and reasoning, particularly assertion and reasoning, where each is carrying 1 mark. How many questions are there? 5. From where to where? 12 to 16. That means you are starting your exam from question number 1 till your 16th question. You are all doing objective type A, B, C, D. But one request is, don't try to opt or go with that option inky pinky ponky. Maximum students, you know, I should not tell you, I know if you don't know the answer, we'll put inky pinky ponky, father has a donkey. Don't do that, students. Learn the concept, you will never forget in life. Okay, concept is what matters, you know, whether you're writing your CBSE exam, whether you're writing your state board exam, whether you're writing your ICSE exam, whether you're writing your JEE exam, or whether you're writing your NEET examination. Okay, right. Now till here one ma'am is going to help you all maximum. Though I have my busy schedule, I'm not going to leave WOC. So students, please remember, watch the video and make the series successful. Then comes section B, short answer type 1, 2 marks each. Section C, short answer type 2, 3 marks each. Section D, long answer, each carries 5 marks. That is your long answer question, where the pattern for B is 1 and 1, means 1 mark and 1 mark will be given. For the pattern for section or short answer type 2 would be 1, 1, 1, like this. Each carries 1, 1 mark. Suppose if it's going with a long answer, as I said, there are 3 questions. Each carries 5 marks. 5 can be calculated as 1 plus 4, or 5 can be calculated as 2 plus 3. Everywhere you have internal choice. Everywhere you have internal choice, not to, you know, CBSE wants you to, you know, it will make you write the answer. It will not leave you, and it will not make you just giving you a doubt or something. When you read the question will be beautifully designed. Don't worry, maximum students are waiting. The syllabus will be more reduced, but students, for JEE and NEET, nothing is reduced, isn't it? So please be careful. So this is the reason I wanted to talk to you all. So very soon, MCQ questions, assertion and reasoning type series will start off from my side. This is a new pattern CBSE paper. Note it, and I hope you will always support your world of chemistry. Vani ma'am is nothing without you all. WOC is nothing without you all. I always say, whether it is any educator, rather, without students there is nothing, students. Okay, students, again I'm telling you, maximum I'll try to help you out. Okay, I am planning to come live very soon. I'll come and talk to you all again. So thank you so much. Please, again, I'm requesting you to watch the series, which includes MCQs, assertion and reasoning type questions, which will really make, means part 1, 2, 3, 4. WOC will be there. And for remaining questions, watch my previous videos where all the concepts are given there. I have done questions, 1600 plus videos I have done. Yes, students, 1600 plus videos doing on a single hand is not a joke, isn't it? And everything for you all. Though I am busy, I always make time for you all. Thank you so much, WOC students, old students, new students. God bless you, and thank you so much for being with me. Stay happy, stay safe.